Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project is a slider gift box and it features the framed and festive stamp set from Stampin Up. That's this one here. It's only available while stocks last, so if you really want to purchase this one, don't delay. I have put a link in the description bar below. And I'm also featuring the framed Florets designer series paper. That's what that gorgeous little floral piece is from. And we have new dies coming out and it fits these dies. It will cut these dies out. That's how I've done this one. Use one of the dies. Now this paper and this stamp set are only available while stocks last. So if you like them, then don't delay. The dies that I'm using coordinate with this paper, but they also have a stamp set, and they are the framed Florets dies. They are beautiful, beautiful oval dies. I'll be using them in future videos to come, but I really just wanted to showcase this beautiful paper and the stamp set. As I say, it's only available while stocks last. Let me show you how I made this gift box. Very easy, pops open like that and then back again. I've made it before, one of my favorites. So start with a piece of cardstock. I've used Balmy Blue and a piece of that beautiful 12 by 12 designer series paper. So that's 6 by 5 and this one is 8 by 3 1/8 inches. Bring in your Simply Scored tool and we'll do the card first. So on the short side, so the landscape, the 5-inch side, score it 1.5 and 3.5. Turn it round to the long side, 6 inches, and score it 1.5 and 4.5. I've put all these dimensions in the description bar below. Bring in your designer series paper and score it 1, 2.5, 4.5, and 6. Fold and burnish. Both sides of this paper is beautiful. I just really wanted to tie in that balmy blue. And the background is actually Evening Evergreen, which is again a very pretty colour. So bring in your paper snips and just on each of these 1, 2, 3, 4 corners we're just going to wedge in. We're not cutting away, just going to wedge them in. Same with that one. Not a difficult box to make. Good size for gift giving. Okay, bring in your adhesive. And that one's not cut quite right. Let's fix that one. Okay. So we're going to be putting adhesive on each of these 4 corners and then it just folds in like that. It is a super easy box to make. We might want just to wedge that one quite enough, I think. Let's just make sure it's going to close nicely. I feel like I didn't get the dimensions right for it. Oops. Oh, yeah. That's correct. Alright, so tape on here. Yeah. And yeah. Oops. It's becoming to the end of my tape. I might put another one here. Let's bring that one in. Just fold in those corners. will wrap around. And then a little bit of tape on here. And that's it. That's the box made. Now I have cut another piece of the paper just to fit inside. It's up to you if you wish to do that. I just think it makes the inside of the box look a little bit pretty, but it's not a requirement. Okay, let's do the decoration now. So as I said, I've already gone ahead and cut out using that framed floret die. That one there. I've put a link to those ones in the description bar below as well. Put a little bit of tape on here, and I'm going to bring in a piece of the glittered organza ribbon on there, and I'm just going to do a little fake bow. Fold that over. And then again, the other way. And then you have bow without having to tie at the back. I'm also going to put a little piece of, I have a little piece of the specialty glitter paper. This is the Evening Evergreen. I'm using the bow punch. Punch these both out. Bow or bow, whichever way you like to say it. It doesn't want to cut for me today for some reason, because there's something already stuck in there. Oopsie, that wasn't meant to happen. Right, that's okay. I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on here so I can secure those down, and just pop, just to poke that through there, and that one down the bottom. All right, so it's going to sit around about there. I have already gone ahead and stamped and heat embossed in white embossing powder the sentiment from the Framed and Festive. I used that one. And let's just pop that on with a couple of dimensionals down the bottom. And then this cute little decoration will just sit around about here. It might need to come in a little bit. Just need to sort of play around with where you've got things positioned, just so you can, you know, still see the sentiment, obviously. Put some dimensionals on the back. I've put a link to these products and in the description bar below, so if you click on any of them, you'll be taken directly to my Stampin' Up store, online store. Let's pop that on. And we have it. And there you have it. Very easy, very simple to make. Cute little gift boxes using the Framed and Festive stamp set from Stampin' Up and this beautiful fitting Florets designer series paper, also pop it underneath there, also from Stampin' Up. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thanks again, have a great day. Bye.